Welcome to Thompson Smith. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 2021 new model Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop, so commercial hardtop. It's finished in Hakuba Silver metallic with factory black pack, black 19-inch alloy wheels, gloss black roof rails, and the front and rear bumpers have also been finished in black. So as we walk around the car, it's a nice specified car from new this. We've got the LED headlamps, gloss back mirrors with the surround cameras. As we come around the back, we'll see we've got a hard spare wheel cover, detachable tow bar, gloss back rear bumper and scuff plate. So it's had light use only. It's been serviced at Land Rover at 20,000 miles. It's in superb condition and a great colour combination. Inside the back, got the rubber floor covering, no damage to any of the panels. And also underneath the floor covering we've got the tools and also the tow bar bag. To take you into the car, or into the van I should say. That's the D200 6-cylinder automatic. Okay, again, condition's lovely. Seats are in great condition. Cloth upholstery and the hardware and rubber floor mats. So we've got cold comfort packs, we've got a leather steering wheel, heated steering wheel, leather gear lever. We've got the Clearsight rear view mirror. As we come in and close the door, we'll see the becoming rare interactive drive display. Okay, so there we've got the Pivot Pro system, which has got surround cameras on this vehicle, reversing cameras obviously, heated seats, climate control, cruise control. There's the heated steering wheel and the folding door mirrors. So lovely condition inside and out. There we've got the keys for the rear box and everything. So ready to go. So if you are interested, give us a call on 01507 602222 or go on our website for this video and more photos, which is www.thompsonandsmith.co.uk. Thanks.